Today, the 1st of December 2020, the last month of the year, very eventful month indeed. This morning, when I came to the beach for my walk around about 5:30, there was beautifully glittering moon shining, big as ever, that I could see, and shining on the ocean, so beautiful. I took some pictures, which I'll showcase in some of the social media. So beautiful. And I saw the exit of the moon gradually to the other side of the ocean while I was witnessing the entering of the sun gradually from the east side, and while the moon is moving down from the west side. In fact, when I was just thinking about the whole thing, on one side the sun is rising, on the other side the moon is departing. Glorious atmosphere in the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, what I remembered was when we were young days, there was a Bruce Lee movie called Enter the Dragon. And soon after that, there was another film when Bruce Lee moved out to exit the dragon and enter the tiger. Sometimes in our lives there are exits and entering. We enter and we exit. There are partnership, there are engagement, there are things that we enter into, there are things that we exit from. One of the things that we cannot exit is a marriage partnership. If you ever get married, by clicking all the boxes that you need to click, then that partnership you cannot exit. In that partnership, there is no opportunity for tea time, high tea, and various breaks. It's an eternal partnership until death. There is no exit clause on a genuine marriage partnership, but unlike today, it's also like exit and enter and exit, enter and exit. But there are many other partnerships and engagements as we as human beings continuously be involved. But we should know how to enter, when to exit. Particularly when you are a businessman, when you engage in multiple transactions and engagements, you should be very conscious of what kind of businesses you should enter into and what time you should exit from that. That's the kind of a skill that you need to have. But I see sometimes some people, they don't understand when to exit. By virtue of the greed for the position, the wealth and the power, they continue to hold on to it. Never try to exit. Even some of them I have seen, some big business people here and globally, doesn't know how to transfer power and position and wealth to the next generation. Particularly if they are descendants, if they are siblings, if they are sons and daughters, the transfer the business. These people hold on to it. They don't know how to exit. But there is everything, there is a time and a season for us to enter, for us to exit. There are business opportunities for us to enter. And in the same time, there's a period of time that opportunity reaches the maximum benefit. And prior to that, we need to exit. And in the same time, when we hand over responsibility and power to next generation, maybe our sons, maybe our subordinates, we should know how to exit as we have entered. The problem is many people doesn't fathom this well. And as a result of that, there's imbalance, inequality, there's chaos and confusion as a result of we don't know how to enter and exit. Entering anything is an experience, an expertise. Exiting also an experience, an exit. And you should love to exit as much as you love to enter. This is a beautiful thing in life. We should love to enter any engagement, any partnership, and we should love to exit from any engagement, any partnership, except marriage. And when we know how to do it, then there's great enrichment to us and satisfaction and also benefit to many others around us all the time.